Friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, today in this video we are watching the beautiful simple kitchen designs. There you can see there are the beautiful kitchen designs. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. Now first we understand what is the simple kitchen design and what are the important benefits and advantages. Fir- First one is the functionality. A simple kitchen design focus on the efficient use of space, ensuring that the layout facilitates smooth workflow. It often follows the kitchen work in triangle like sink, stove and refrigerator, optimizing how to move between these areas. Another advantage of is cost effective. Minimalist designs typically use fewer materials and require less decorative detailing, making them more budget friendly. This approach also reduces the need for excessive appliance and furniture, lowering overall the cost. Third advantages of it is easy maintenance. With fewer intricate details and decorative features, a simple kitchen design is much easier to clean and maintain. Smooth surface and uncluttered countertops make wiping down and organizing faster. Another benefit is timeless appeal. Simple kitchens offer rely on neutral colors, clean lines and classic finish that can withstand trends. This timeless designs keeps the kitchen looking modern and appealing for years without frequent updates. Fifth one is maximize space. By focusing on essential elements and avoiding excessive ornamentation, simple design make the most of available space. This is especially advantageous in smaller kitchens where maximizing every inch is important. Another advantage is it is clutter free. A simple design kitchen encourages a clutter free environment by minimizing unnecessary accessories and focusing on essential functional elements. This creates a more organized, stress free cooking space. Another benefit of sustainability. Simple kitchen designs offer prioritize the use of sustainable, durable materials by reducing unnecessary elements and focusing on long lasting fixtures. They can contribute to a more eco friendly home. Another advantages of personalization. A simple backdrop allows homeowners to personalize their kitchens easily with accessories or unique touches. It offers flexibility to change accents or decors without requiring a full redesign. Simple, clean, and clutter free are some keywords you will find at the top of the list of several interesting kitchen decorating ideas. No matter the number of luxury elements you incorporate into your cooking space, this plate needs a subtle and organized feel to bring beauty and easy to your cooking sessions. So you can give the entire kitchen a facelift by simply designing it with less money spent, little bit of cabinetry, appliance, lighting, decorative element, and furnishing, like selecting the best countertops, putting tiles on walls. So by this way you can make your kitchen more beautiful and simple, eco-friendly budget. Like in this video you can see there are the beautiful kitchen designs with lots of space available. Even you can see the countertops with beautiful little bit of even in the cabinets in some designs, and the tiles which I selected, you can see there are the beautiful tiles. So with this some small ideas you can make your more beautiful the simple kitchen design into a more modern and beautiful with less money with. So like somebody says like that beauty lies in a simplicity. So you can make this come true into your kitchen design. So kitchens needs to be clutter free. So that doesn't mean that you can skip designing their interiors. You can make some beautiful ideas like in this video I shown you. So friends, with this design you can make your simple kitchen into a modern look with this. So friends, if you have any queries you can ask me in the comment section. Simple kitchen design like overall design provides a practical, aesthetical pleasing and long lasting solution that is adaptable to different taste and lifestyle. So friends, if you like my video then please like and share this video.